In this video, we are going to see how we can fix the can't connect securely to this page error. If you get this in Microsoft Edge, here's a quick fix for you. So first of all, what we need to do is just click on the start menu and right here, internet options, click on that. And from here, we choose the security tab, and where it says internet, choose that. And at the bottom here, we select custom level. And here we just choose any option and type here D, or otherwise if it is difficult to find, basically we want to find display mixed content option. So we need to scroll down and manually find it. Here is the option of display mixed content. We want to toggle that on, click OK. Are you sure you want to change for this zone? Click yes, apply and OK. And after that, you might need to restart your PC in order to make that effective and try running the browser, and that should work for you and resolve this problem. But if you're still having the problem, let's go back to the internet options. And after that, we want to hit the advanced settings and scroll all the way down to this area where it says security. And under this section, we get the option of use TLS 1.1 and 1.2. Make sure to enable them both. And if you get the option of 1.0 as well, just check that, but don't check SSL 3.0. That's not required because that's something else. And after that, apply and OK. And again, I would suggest to restart your computer in order to make that effective. And that is how you can solve your problem. Just try accessing the website and it will work for you. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.